Hello everyone, I'm from Netsol Water Solutions and today we'll dive into the world of water softeners. Do you think that water softeners used for residential and industrial purposes are same? Are you confused? Then let us talk about the difference between the two. But before moving into the dissimilarities, let me tell you about water softening. Water softening is the process of eliminating the ions in water that cause hardness, most often calcium and magnesium ions. A water softener softens hard water by removing these minerals. So, what is the need of water softeners for residential purposes? While hard water is generally safe to drink, the minerals present in it leads to many issues for our houses. Clogged pipes and a shorter lifespan for household appliances are examples of problems caused by hard water. Thus, it becomes necessary to treat this hard water as it can have a severe impact on how you use water in your daily life, from drinking to cooking and cleaning. Thus, these hard water minerals are effectively removed by a wide range of water softeners. When we talk about water softeners used in industries, soft water is also used by industries to prevent scale buildup in water heaters and boilers to reduce mineral hardness, staining, and to provide high quality water for manufacturing processes and products. The process of industrial water purification and softening transforms unfit for industrial use water into water that is free of sediments and pollutants, as well as it must have the proper pH balance. We know that water softening is accomplished by the action of chemicals in the water softener, which neutralizes the compounds in hard water. Industrial water softeners can treat a larger volume of water at once, thus, they don't require as many chemicals as normal water softeners that are used for residential purposes. Another difference that we can spot is that water softeners typically operate by consuming electricity, and as a result, if they run for an extended period of time, they might increase your power bill. Regular water softeners can only treat small amount of water at a time. So if you need to treat big amounts of water as used in industrial settings, you will need to run your water softener continuously. This can raise your electricity bill, but it also puts a pressure on the machine. Now, if you choose the best solution for your problem, call Netsol Water Solutions. Yes, call us if you're ready to get rid of the stains and make your water supply cleaner and healthier in your houses or industries. Our experts can provide you with a better suggestion of reducing your cost, power, and energy. Our professionals will check your location, TDS level, then explain the available options and allow you to select what is best for your property or industry. If you want to know more about our water softeners, feel free to contact us. Also, like, share, and subscribe our channel for latest updates. You can also find useful information by following us on LinkedIn. Thank you so much.